Hello, beautiful humans. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, you guessed it right. We're going to repair this Nintendo DSi. Yeah, Nintendo DSi XL. Well, I bought this off in carousel. It has a faulty screen. Apparently, me and screen are inseparable. But anyway, it's not bad. It's a nice condition though. See, as you can see, it's not too bad. But the only problem with this is, can you see the top screen there? Yeah. As you can see, the screen is dying. I don't know how to explain this. You can see the dark edges there over the screen. As for the bottom one, they look good. Yeah, they look good. Touch screen works. Yes, see, volume works and everything works. So this came without a charger, without a battery. So I bought them separately. Yeah, bought them in carousel as well. So without further ado, let's take apart this thing and see how we can replace the screen. Yeah, so they gave me a free what do they call this? Yeah, like stylus. Yes, stylus. Free stylus. Yeah. Before we proceed, let me show you the replacement screen. Yeah. So I bought this off from AliExpress. The links will be in the description. Yeah. So it's nicely packaged. Yeah. You can see. There you go. The screen. Screen for your viewing. Yep. So you'll need some soldering skills here, because you need to solder the speakers here on this connection, on this pad. Yeah. So let's start disassembling. So you need a plus screwdriver and start disassembling. Yeah. So let's disassemble the battery compartment. Yeah. There you go. The battery compartment is out. I think I need to remove these tabs so that I can disassemble. It's glued in there. Let me try to remove these pads, yeah, off the camera, and then get back to you. Alrighty, I've removed the pads and the screws underneath it. So let's remove the screws. And remember this guy from our last video where, yeah, I cut it into smaller pieces so that I can keep the pads here, the screws here. So good. So let's start disassembling. You need a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws. And then you have these two little plus screwdrivers here, including one here, a very small one, 1 2 3. Okay, remove that as well. And then this is the new battery that I replaced. Remove that as well. There you go. This cost me like $35, man, but not bad. It works as it should. Yeah. So there's nothing underneath the battery, so I guess we can remove it. That's about it. Let me see. Okay, so apparently there are a couple of clips at the front of this. Yeah, so I used my fingernails and slide along it, and ta-da! So remember to remove all these um, cables, yeah. Okay, so let's rest this PCB somewhere else. Okay, I don't need to remove the bottom screen, but we need to remove this due to the screen assembly removal, right? So now, okay, oh no, everything fell apart. But anyway, let's keep all this in one corner, and also the screen. It's a nice screen, yeah. This is for the bottom. And to remove the front, I think there are few 1 2 3 4, right? 4, you can see 1 2 3 4. Let me remove these and get the screw behind it, yeah. Okay, alrighty, I've removed the protector that covered these screws. So now I'm going to remove this top display assembly, yeah. Alrighty, so I've disassembled the top panel. How I did it? Okay, well, I show it to you. Okay, do you see this edge here? Okay, I simply used a flat screwdriver in between the edge and slowly pried it up. So far there's no damage. Just make sure. And you can see some of it, but if you look it from here, there's no damage, yeah. So it should be okay. It was a white stuck there, and now it has been removed. Let's remove the camera assembly and then remove the screen in the end, yeah. So this one uses a plus as well, a plus, yeah. So let's remove this. Okay guys, I managed to find out how to remove this. Okay, first, okay, when you look at this hinge, yeah, one with the lights and everything, okay, close it all the way and push this one all the way to the front, and then disconnect it, so you'll see the hinge this way. And then after that, remove the microphone. Remember, just now we removed the camera assembly. Remove the microphone out of the way, make sure there's some leverage, and then remove the Wi-Fi PCB as well. So I just pulled it out and then just pull it out. So once you pull it out, okay, you see this plastic tab, yeah, it'll be stuck here. So you just pull it gently, yeah. Once the plastic tab is here, you can proceed to remove this through the guide, yeah. See, there's a guide here, if you can see it, yeah. If you can see, there's the guide, okay. And then you can remove the whole assembly, yeah. Okay guys, I finally have the screen disassembled. Long story short, so you need to twist the cables and slide the screen out from here. took me some time. Oh, but finally the screen is out. So the next thing I'm gonna do is remove this bezel and transfer it to our new screen. Yeah, this is our new screen. Yeah. Okay, so I will transfer this bezel, the speakers. I will show you the soldering process later on. Yeah, so these are the speakers that is connected to the LCD, so we need to solder it here. So let me transfer this bezel first. Yeah, okay, there you go. The bezels transferred, the LCD screen protector and bezel is transferred to the new LCD. Looks good, the alignment is good. I did a good job, no hair stuck behind there. And then now let's desolder this, okay, and solder it back to here. Okay, for this I need to move my tripod somewhere else. Hold on, yeah, just bear with me for a moment. Okay, so we are back. So make sure you have a soldering iron like this, yeah, like this, and then soldering lead. This is what I'll be using. First I'll clean all these pads and then transfer the speaker wires one by one from here. Yeah. So now we will fix back the screen assembly, the one that we just soldered. Okay, one that we just soldered to here. Okay, let's fix it first. Oh, okay, before we do that, I think it's better to, slide this cable inside here. Yeah, make sure it's rotated and slide it inside here. Yeah, okay, so I will slide this cable as well. Yeah, so it's easier for us in assembly process. I will do it now off the camera because this requires some skills, I guess. So I will slide these two cables inside here, and then we'll follow up with the rest of the assembly. Yeah. Okay guys, they assembled everything back. Okay, the speakers and Wi-Fi PCB, another speaker. uh, the secret of getting this inside this is you have to twist both of them together and make sure this cable is outside and this cable is inside. So twist them, push them through, and make sure the black hinge part is here, and just slide them through. And I saw a tape here. Okay, I guess that is to protect this cable from the metal back of the LCD panel, so I used the scotch tape. I don't think so you can see, but okay, I use a scotch tape, then tighten this screw here. Okay, put back the camera and microphone. Yeah, route the microphone together also, and everything is here. So now it's time for me to fix back the other side of the panel, and then continue with the assembly. Yeah, so what I'll do here now is okay, I'll try to fix this back and see. Okay, so this is the other back. Okay, the other half. So what do I do now? Yeah, okay, maybe I should put this together. Yeah, so it should go this way. Should go this way. go this way. Yeah, so it should be this way. Yep, should be this way. Yeah, so I will slide through here and then get back to you. So this one is easier. Yeah, just slide this here. You see there's a line there. Just insert these cables here. So I can't seem to do it on the camera because it's very difficult for me to align. I don't have studio type of camera to show you, but let me get back to you as soon as I fix this. Yeah. Okay guys, so finally I had this screen assembled. So what I did is assemble this portion first. Okay, this portion first and then assemble this portion in the end. Okay, so just make sure you slide in the cable, these two cables. Okay, this one will be facing down, this one is on top of it. Yeah, because when you put the PCB here, okay, you should connect this one down. Yeah, so before you connect, also remember the some type of hinge rod there, right? So make sure you close this fully in and then push it in so that you can lock this in place. So now see, you hear that click sound there, so should be working. So let's fix in the PCB. Okay, I don't know which button goes where, so I need to google it out. Okay, which one goes here, here, and then I will fix this PCB board. Yeah, and also this PCB. Yeah, this PCB board. So I don't know which one goes where, but I'll try my best. Okay. Okay, we are done. In case we forgot, please remember to fix back the bottom screen. Yeah, as you can see, it is very easy to know the orientation of this screen. Okay, see, when the board goes this way, okay, you see 1 2 3 and 4 connectors, and you can see the same thing here, 1 2 3 and 4. So a bit of common sense for two, and there's one connector here, right? Yes, can you see it? So just fix it there. Yeah, so this one. So as I mentioned before, this small cable will go on top and the big one will go on bottom. Yeah, so let's find these keys, how do they go in each other, and fix it up. Yeah, fix this to this. Okay. Aha, there's another revelation here. See, I don't know which one goes to which, right? But you see, all these keys, they have these special tabs, so they can only go in one direction. So I'm pretty much safe. So this one doesn't have any labeling, so I can just fit it in. Yeah. So let's see. This one goes here. Okay, and then now we need to fix this. Yeah, now we need to fix this in. So this might take some time, so I will play with the cables and make sure they are all properly fitted, and I'll get back to you. All right. Okay, I already fixed all the cables. Okay, make sure you have a tweezer like this. Yeah, it's very useful. Trust me, it's very useful, especially when you are fixing back the ribbon cable for the screen assembly. Yeah, so took me some time to get it right, and then I fixed back ribbon cable here, ribbon cable here, and connector here for the power PCB. And I'm sorry, I forgot to fix back this. There's a small plastic tab assembly, for the LED illumination, so I forgot to fix that back. So I open up this and fix that back, and everything is good. So the only thing left here is to fix all the screws here, okay, to mount the PCB, and then fix this two ribbon cables onto the PCB board and close it up. Yeah, okay. And also, not forgetting this is your Wi-Fi module. So the gray wire is the Wi-Fi module, connects to the Wi-Fi module. I'm sorry, this. So okay, so now we got the battery in, and okay, before I close everything back permanently, I will test it. So let's test it. I don't want you guys to see my face on the reflection. Sorry, I look ugly. So look at that. Oh my god, the before and after, magnificent. So what I'll do now is fix back everything, test the functions, clean up my bed. Yeah, I'm doing this on my bed. Yeah, so what do you do? Touch screen to start. Yes, okay. Then the camera works. What is that? Oh, look at that. I'm filming the camera. How about if I change the camera to the back? Switch. Yeah, look at that. It works. Both camera works, and I will close this up and then test some games with it. Yeah, I'll be right back. Hello, welcome back. I know it's another day, but you can't notice it because I will compile this all into a video. But anyway, this is the completed Nintendo DSi, as you can see. So far everything looks nice, and let's see the screen. Yeah, okay, hold on, let me adjust this. Okay, so you can see the DSi here. Okay, so I bought this of AliExpress. It's a racing album, 502 in one, cheap. Yeah, it has a lot of chip. So as you can see, touch screen works, my Wi-Fi works. I've connected to the local Wi-Fi, and then you can see, yes, you can see. Okay, we can enter the game chip here. Okay, NDS. So micro SD card, 502 in one. There are so many games. Yeah, so many games. Happy Bakery. Let's find one random game to play. The other day I was playing one nice game though. It was like how do you say? This is Mario Kart. Never seen all these games before. Oh, they even have FIFA. Wow, not bad. Okay, the links for this game chip will be in the description. Feel free to check them out. Yeah. Okay, so look at that. The screen looks brilliant. So, yeah. Wow, look at that. I'm just going to go into adventure. Okay, Ndsi and my Yoshi. Okay, you can see the screen, top screen. Aha. It's great, nah? The only reason why you're seeing like some lines in this, right, on the screen, I think it's because of the camera, I think. Yeah, you can run around. Yes, it plays all the game. Oh, I need 3 more. As you can see, I can play all these games. How about other games though? I think I would go to one of those racing games, yeah. The volume works, everything works, yeah. So I'm pretty happy with the repair. Okay, so just great. Okay, this is the volume at maximum. Okay, not bad. Oh, not bad, not bad. Oh, uh-huh. Oh, they left me. Anyway, I need some training on this game. It has been a while since I played all these games. Okay, so everything works. I hope you like this. I hope you like this video. Yeah. So till we meet you again in the next episode, you guys can give me suggestion. On which console or anything that you like to see me repair. Just post your feedback, and till then, see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. Share, like, and subscribe this video. Do it yourself, man. Take care. Bye.